Hello everyone. If you want add word art in your Google Docs, first step on the top click on insert and from drawing click on new. Now in your left click on actions and from menu click on word art. In this box write your text. For example, after you write your text, press enter. Now one click on your word art and on the top click on fill color. You can choose a color for your word art, for example this one, and also click on border color. You can choose a color for your word art border, for example this one, and click on border weight. Now you can change the border size. For example, I choose this one. Also, you can change font. For example, click on font section and choose a font. Also, you can use bold style or italic. And after any change, click on save and close. For move your image, one click on it and from this menu click on in front of text and from move with text change to fixed position on page. Now with your mouse you can change your image or word art. Also if you double click on it, you can again access to drawing section, change the color, font, or double click on it and change the text. And after any change, again click on save and close. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.